Hi, I'm Lucia Cangas, AVAP's marketing and channel lead. So today we'll continue exploring AVAP ID. Your AVAP ID gives you access to download and manage AVAP framework products and services. Whether you're testing standalone tools or subscribing to full-featured software as a service platforms, everything starts here. So let me share my screen and I'll take you step by step. Okay, so first we need to access AVAP ID. I have already introduced my email and password. Once you're in, you can go to your left menu to license and subscriptions. Here you'll find all available AVAP products and services, some of them AVAP Collaborative Network, Dev Studio, our 3 memberships of AVAP Cloud, Virtual Server, AVAP Language Server, Gateway Advanced, the virtual server in a different environment. So here you can see all products and services. As you can see, each product offers one of the following options. There are some that you have the button of download or start using, like AVAP Collaborative Network, and some of our products like AVAP Virtual Server. They are available for free tool. They are free tools or trials. Then you have buy now or upgrade. These are membership services. You can select the monthly or annual subscriptions. And here the process is really simple. For example, I already have AVAP Cloud Professional, but if I want to upgrade to AVAP Cloud Business, I just click on upgrade. I check all the information that the membership is correct. I select my payment method. If I want to do an annual or a monthly subscription, and I confirm. It's as simple as that. And there are other products that have this link to contact us. These are personalized enterprise solutions. So here you can fill out a form and we'll get in touch with you. If you go to the left menu, you will find also the download section. Here you have some AVAP software packages and Docker images. The only thing you need to do to download is select the platform you're working with, and you click on download. And as you can see, you can have all the products downloaded in your computer. Also, we have some official Docker images. So we have AVAP Language, AVAP Virtual Server, and AVAP Gateway Advanced for you. So you can start now. Your journey with AVAP begins here. You can log in, explore the tools, and unlock the full potential of your AVAP ID. Thank you for joining me again, and I hope this quick guide helps you. Good day.